Paco.
Cardupelis?
Anyways, let's move on. Well, yeah, you did warn them, so. Okay, everybody, like next round, Paco, yeah, baby, yeah. The player on seat 2, he's gonna do a double down on no matter what cards. So be prepared, be careful if you do wanna bet behind that person, you know?
Behave!
Ooh, double down on 12. Well, he thinks this game is called Baccarat, so, I mean.
Thank you.
Guacamole.
Huh?
What?
Huh?
Guacamole, s'il vous plaît, s'il vous plaît, s'il vous plaît,
Bonjour, merci, that's it.
s'il vous plaît.
What did he say? What you gonna do here?
Oh, Paco, don't do this! What? Paco, no! Just no!
Ton of space. Everybody wins.
Already good, already good,
Hey, what?
already good. Snee, snap, snappy, 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 snap.
Oh, really? Huh. Ha! Bird. A bird is a word. A bird is a bird of the...
Bird, a bird is a bird, and a bird is a bird is a word, and then a bird.
The bird's a word, well, don't you know that the bird, well, everybody knows that the bird is a word.
Ha ha! Really? Maybe. It's International Dog Day! Yeah, I know where this is gonna go. I'm gonna go with like, can I have a... And then you go, beep, 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 chickadee, beep, beep, yeah? How do you with the Siri? How do you with the Siri? Like, how?
Wait, what?
I mean, how do you with the Siri? Like, how?
I mean, excuse me.
Nice and slow, caller, yeah. Yeah.
Wait a second, are you Randy?
Блять.